Jai Hind. Welcome to GS Nexus Current Affairs series. In today's session, we are going to cover Quad's bold move as it launches Joint Sea Mission for Indo-Pacific Security. Beginning with the context, in a major move to enhance maritime security and operational coordination in the Indo-Pacific region, the Coast Guards of India, Japan, the United States and Australia have initiated the Quad at Sea Ship Observer Mission as part of the Wilmington Declaration. Let's now know the key aspects of the mission. 2 officers from each country, including women officers, have joined the US Coast Guard Cutter Stratton, which is presently on its way to Guam. The initiative paves the way for a future Quad Coast Guard handshake, aiming to build stronger trust, better coordination, and joint strength to face growing maritime challenges in the Indo-Pacific. This mission follows the vision shared at the Quad Leaders Summit in September 2024 and showing the growing operational partnership among the Indian Coast Guard, Japan Coast Guard, US Coast Guard, and Australian Border Force. Let's now understand the significance of Quad. Quadrilateral Security Dialogue is a strategic forum between Australia, India, Japan, and the United States. It's a diplomatic partnership focused on promoting regional security and economic cooperation in the Indo-Pacific region. The Quad is not a military alliance, but rather a framework for cooperation on various issues like maritime security, health, climate change, and emerging technologies. The Quad aims to maintain a free, open, and inclusive Indo-Pacific region, upholding international law and promoting a rules-based order. Let's now look at India's role in the Quad at Sea Ship Observer Mission. The initiative highlights India's commitment to the Sagar Doctrine, that is, security and growth for all in the region, which promotes maritime cooperation and regional stability. It also supports India's broader Indo-Pacific Oceans initiative focusing on capacity building, humanitarian assistance and disaster relief, maritime domain awareness, and upholding international maritime laws. This mission showcases the increasing trust and interoperability between the Indian Coast Guard and its Quad counterparts. That's all for today. For more such videos, stay connected with GS Nexus and subscribe the channel.